Every sunrise brings a new hope, and every sunset leaves a message behind. Some people see darkness, but a few souls they find light even in the darkest hours. Today's story is about those souls, the ones who stand strong with faith even when life tests them again and again. This is not just a festival, this is Chhat Puja, a celebration of devotion, patience, and inner strength. There was a woman in a small village. Her name was Savitri. Life husbands was Life was never easy for her. Her husband was sick, money was scarce, but one thing she never lost was faith. Every year during Chhat Puja, she would fast, offer prayers to the setting sun, and whisper, Chhat Maiya will take care of everything. People laughed. How can fasting bring change? But Savitri only smiled because she knew faith doesn't remove problems, it gives you the strength to face them. One year, her husband's condition worsened. The doctor said there is no hope, but Savitri said, as long as I breathe in faith, there is always hope. So observed her fast with tears in her eyes and strength in her heart. A few weeks later, a miracle happened. Her husband opened his eyes again. People realized that Chhat Puja isn't just worship, it's divine energy in action. Chhat is not only a ritual, it's a discipline of the soul. Hunger, thirst, sleepless nights, none of it breaks the devotee because the heart is filled with devotion. Of offering arg to the sun is not a mere gesture, it's a symbol of gratitude for what we have and strength for what we seek. The rising sun reminds us no matter how exhausting the journey, your light will shine again. The setting sun whispers every ending is a new beginning. The 4 days of Chhat teach us life's greatest lessons sacrifice, purity, peace, and determination. This festival is not just about religion, it's about self control, consistency, and faith. Unseen, when we stand with devote devotion instead of comfort, we awake the warrior within us. Life too is like Chhat, filled with waiting, pain, and tastes. But those who keep walking reach the light. Every dream is a fast. Every effort is an offering. Every struggle is a test. As long as your faith stands tall, your journey will never be wasted. During Chhat Puja, a mother folds her hands and says, I don't pray for myself, I pray for my family's happiness. That is the real power of devotion, selflessness. When you think beyond yourself, when you serve with love and gratitude, life becomes divine. If you apply the same devotion to your goals, miracles because in truth faith plus consistency is equals to miracle. And that's what Chhat teaches us every year. As the sun rises, millions of devotees stand in the river, hands folded, eyes full of tears and light. In that single moment, the sky and the earth unite, and the bond between the human and the divine become visible. Every heart whispers, "Thank you, Chhat Maiya." Life is like that sunrise. After every night comes a new dawn. After every struggle comes success. After every tear comes a smile. You just have to keep believing, hold your faith, and trust your light, because even the smallest flame can fight the darkest night. This Chhat Puja don't just worship, make a promise to yourself, never lose faith, because as long as faith lives in your heart, your life will keep shining. Chhat Puja reminds us faith never fails, it only tests. Jai Chhat Maiya. The sun will rise, the darkness will fade, and your dreams will shine again. Every dawn begins with darkness, every victory begins with struggle, and every believer begins with faith. Chhat Puja is not just a festival to true sun, it's the awakening of light inside you. It's about rising again, stronger, pure, and brighter than ever before. There was a young man named Aman. His dreams were big, but his fears were bigger. He failed in exams, in interviews, in love, and one day he said, "Maybe I am not made for success." That evening, his mother was preparing for Chhat Puja. He watched her fasting for 4 days, standing in the cold river water, praying with a smile even through pain. He asked, "Ma, doesn't hurt?" She smiled and said, "When you love something deeply, pain becomes strength." "I don't worship the sun outside, my son. I worship the sun inside me." That night, Aman didn't sleep. Those words burned in his heart like light. He realized all carry our own sunrise button. The next day, he decided to start again, this time with faith inside of fear. Every day the sun rises, not because it's easy, but because it's meant to shine. It faces clouds, storms, and darkness. It Yet it never stops. That's exactly what life teaches us during Chhat Puja. You are not defined by your failures, but by how many times you rise after falling. The sun sets every evening, but it never says, "I will never came back." It trusts its purpose. It trusts the universe, and you must trust your journey too. Chhat Puja teaches discipline, purity, patience, and faith. These are just rituals, they are the steps to personal victory. Fasting for days, standing in freezing water, praying selflessly. What gives people that kind of strength? It's love. Love for family, for life, for light. Real power is not in control, it's in surrender. When you surrender to your purpose, miracles begin to happen. Aman started working again, quietly, steadily, with faith. Every rejection became his teacher, every failure became his sunrise. Months later, he got his dream job, but this time he didn't celebrate the job, he celebrated his faith because success without faith fades, but faith creates endless success. The light you seek in the sky is the same light that lives in your heart. Every prayer, every struggle, every sacrifice is just a reflection of that divine energy inside you. When you doubt yourself, remember even the sun disappears at night, but it never stops burning. You are the same even when the world doesn't see your light. You must keep shining silently. Faith is not about waiting for miracles. Faith is about becoming the miracle. As the sun rises on this Chhat Puja, let it remind you of your own light. You have survival every storm and you will rise again. Stronger, brighter, unstoppable. Don't worship the light outside, become the light inside. Jai Chhathi Maiya, the sun doesn't shine because it wants to be seen, it shines because that's who it is. So rise because you are light.